And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. MPs are all set for Operation Sindoor outreach. Two delegations headed by Sanjay Jha and Shrikant Shinde are leaving today at 11:40 a.m. for Japan and 9 p.m. for UAE, and these are the timings of their flights respectively. The delegation headed by Kanimuri will be leaving tomorrow early morning. So that's the update that is coming in as far as the all-party delegation outreach is concerned. The MPs are all set to embark on their visit, and two delegations headed by Sanjay Jha and Shrikant Shinde respectively are leaving today from 11:40 a.m. for Japan and 9 p.m. for UAE, whereas the delegation which is headed by Kanimuri will be leaving tomorrow early morning. For more details, we're now being joined by Piyush Mishra. Piyush, what other details are we gathering as far as the delegation visit is concerned? We're learning that two delegations will be leaving today, and whereas one led by Kanimuri will be leaving tomorrow early morning.
Well, that's right. What you are now told, Anjali, is that today two delegations are leaving for two different countries. One for Japan, another is for UAE, and these delegations will be leaving at around 11:40 a.m. Flight, which is heading to Japan, and the another flight which is heading to UAE at 9 p.m. In that flight also the delegation will be going. So there are multiple MPs who are taking part in this delegation. What we are also learning from our sources is that the another delegation, the third delegation, which will be headed by DMK MP Kanimuri, that will be leaving tomorrow early morning. It's a very important visit which is being carried out by the MPs, where they are going to take out the message of Operation Sindoor to the different parts of the world. And in these delegations, there will be MPs from different political parties. And the first visit will be done by a delegation which is headed by Sanjay Jha. And this delegation will leave at around 11:40 a.m. from flight. And the another delegation that will be headed by Shrikant Shinde, that will be leaving today later in the day at around 9 p.m. and they will go directly to UAE. And apart from that, there are many other countries where these delegations will be visiting, where they will be taking forward the message of Operation Sindoor.
All right, Piyush, do stay with us. So all party delegations are all set to embark on their foreign visit. They were briefed by the Foreign Secretary ahead of the crucial diplomatic outreach mission spanning over 30 countries. The delegation includes key leaders such as Supriya Sule, Kanimuri and Shashi Tharoor, who will lead 3 of the 7 teams. In a last-minute change, TMC's Abhishek Banerjee has stepped in to replace Yusuf Pathan, who declined the centre's offer to join the mission. Meanwhile, Congress leader and delegation member Salman Khurshid diverged from party stand to say that there was no mediation by any third party and the pause in hostilities between the two countries was agreed upon through DGMO level talks, with a unified objective to strengthen India's diplomatic positioning and also expose Pakistan's continued support for terrorism. MPs from across party lines have been grouped into 7 delegations, nearly 20 of the destination countries, either current or incoming members of the UN Security Council.
We had a very strong and positive discussion on the strength of the Indo-French bilateral relationship, political, economic, strategic, military, all of that. And we also talked positively about the horizon for the future. In addition to that, the French visitors expressed strong support for India's position in the wake of the recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam and our actions that have followed, and that support was very much appreciated by our committee. In addition, I was able to introduce them to my colleague Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, who will be leading a delegation from India, an all-party delegation that is travelling to Paris in a couple of days' time. So it was a good meeting for all these purposes.
ट्रम्प साहब के हस्तक्षेप को लेके आपने
कोई हस्तक्षेप किसी किस्म का हस्तक्षेप कहीं नहीं था, कहीं मध्यस्थता नहीं थी। लेकिन जब विश्व में ऐसी चीज होती है तो अलग अलग लोग प्रयास करते हैं कि कुछ संदेश दें, कुछ कहें, कुछ पहुंचाएं। लेकिन जो कुछ भी हुआ है वो दोनों देशों के बीच में ही हुआ है। जब हमने जब जो एस्केलेट हुआ था मामला तो हमारे बीच का था, जब खत्म हुआ, समाप्त हुआ तो हमारे बीच का समाप्त हुआ। पाकिस्तान डीजीएमओ की ओर से पहल हुई, उन्होंने ये कहा कि इसको हम समाप्त करें। हमने कहा कि आप समाप्त करने को तैयार हैं तो कर दीजिए, 5 बजे समाप्त हो जाएगा।
प्रॉक्सीवाद एक तरह से 40 साल से देश झेल रहा है। हम लोगों ने हर एक समय एविडेंस दिया, चीजें दी, लेकिन जैसे चोर को कहा जाता है कि आप ही आकर के जांच कीजिए, उस तरह का उसका हरकत रहा है, वो खुद ही कराता है। अब एक न्यू नॉर्मल जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि अब इस तरह का घटना होगा तो हम लोग भी जाके हिट कर सकते हैं, जो प्रूव करके दिखाया। तो और लार्जली ये चीज देना कि भाई टेररिज्म का जो रूट है, सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं, दुनिया में कहीं टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी होता है, उसका कहीं न कहीं लिंक पाकिस्तान में निकल जाता है। तो इस चीज से भी सेंसिटाइज करना,
एक्सपोज करना पूरा पाकिस्तान,
पूरा जो, और ये कहना कि कोई ये टेररिस्ट ग्रुप कोई आइसोलेशन में नहीं आ रहा है, इनका पूरा पैटर्न जो है, पूरा फंडिंग, ट्रेनिंग, सारा का सारा पाकिस्तान आर्मी और वहाँ की सरकार करवाती है।
The main topic or the main message of this delegation to the entire world is fight against terrorism, zero tolerance against terrorism. Terrorism which is proliferating in the soils of Pakistan and spreading to India. Every time some of the other attack which is happening on India, and now it is not limited only to India, but it is spreading to the entire world. The US also has suffered the same terrorism activities. UK also suffered. UAE has also suffered. Some parts of Africa has also suffered.
And my colleague Piyush Mishra continues to stay with us. Piyush, help us understand on what basis have the countries been chosen where the MPs will be visiting?
Well, Anjali, there are various countries to which these MPs are going, and but it's not there are one particular country which has been chosen. There are different countries to which the MPs are going, and but these are different parts of the world. These are different countries where the message has to be sent out about the Operation Sindoor. Remember that these countries include UAE, Russia, America, Japan. There are other countries also who are in the list of these MPs who will be visiting, very soon. So today, 2 delegations are leaving. Tomorrow, one delegation will leave, and then after that, we will see 4 more delegations to leave for different parts of the globe. Remember that even as there are 7 delegations and there are multi-party MPs are in these delegations, the message is one, that we have struck back to Pakistan because it had, taken out terror activities against India. The message is clear that we will not let terror go unpunished, and we will continue to pursue our fight against terrorism. So everything which has been briefed by Foreign Secretary yesterday to these MPs will be told to the members of parliament of these specific countries, to the ministries of these countries, and the visit begins today, where the first delegation will be leaving at 11:40 a.m. and the second delegation will be leaving today at 9 p.m. and after that, tomorrow early morning we will see the third delegation leaving, and the remaining 4 delegations will leave after the briefing that will be done by Foreign Secretary. So another round of meeting we can expect, briefing we can expect, and after that 4 more delegations will be leaving for different parts of the country, of the world, where they are going to brief different nations on the stand which has been taken by a country after the Pahalgam terror attack.